Purchasing the engine is only one step in the process of accomplishing the goals you have set for your vehicle. There are several other systems that need to support and complement the engine package. When the engine is finished and it's time for installation, things can get overwhelming very quick, especially if you've only done this sort of thing a time or two. Having additional knowledge and experience on your side, both during the sale of the crate engine and the support afterward, is just as important as deciding on the engine itself. Therefore, what company to buy a crate engine from is more important and overwhelming than which engine to buy. At Prestige Motorsports, we offer installations and complete vehicle builds. We not only engineer our engine packages to satisfy your specific application, but we have the experience and knowledge of the entire custom car experience to put together the ultimate turnkey package that provides everything you need to support your new engine. Plus, we install these components every day. We know what works, what doesn't, and what you can expect during the installation. Everything you need, including experience and wisdom, all from one source. Prestige Motorsports dyno tests every engine we sell. If you are purchasing a long block, which doesn't include an intake manifold, fuel delivery, ignition system, or any accessories on the front, we will dyno test with our own and run an electric water pump. But to be honest, those situations are few and far between. Why? Because Prestige Motorsports encourages you to send us the manifold, fuel delivery, and ignition system you plan to use. We will install them on your engine before we dyno test. If there is an issue with any of them, we will find it prior to you installing them in your vehicle, eliminating the headache and heartache of having a brand new engine that doesn't run as you expected. Turnkey packages are by far more popular than long blocks. Turnkey engines from Prestige Motorsports include fuel delivery, ignition, and pulley kits. We dyno test the engine with these systems installed and running. That means the belts are installed, the alternator is charging, the power steering pump is filled with fluid, and the water pump is cooling the engine. The dyno session is verifying the quality and performance of not only the engine, but of the additional components that you purchased. Does Prestige Motorsports know how much power our accessory drives, Rob? Of course we do. We have tested to see the difference. What performance-minded enthusiast wouldn't want to know how much power it takes to spin these? Show and go. We want both. Prestige Motorsports, along with many other professional builders, include a dyno sheet in the crate of the engine as tested in the form you purchased it, which includes the pulley kit and operational accessories. Prestige Motorsports offers a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on all hot rod, super street, marine, and power adder engines, while our Value Series carries a 1-year unlimited mile warranty. Race engines are on a case-by-case basis. Prestige Motorsports also honors do-it-yourself installations, and all warranties are transferable. Prestige Motorsports technical support team is also here to help you make the correct buying decision, answer any technical questions that arise, including ancillary components, and we have the hands-on experience of our performance shop techs that work with these projects every single day, which you are able to draw from. Prestige Motorsport is right by your side the first time you fire up your engine. The truth is, even if we set you up with a base map from the dyno session, the environment is different in the vehicle and it will need fine-tuning. Plus, if the wiring is not correct or the O2 is installed in the wrong location, you will start pulling your hair out trying to find out what's going on. No worries. Prestige Motorsports will access your ECU remotely and monitor everything on the first startup. We can make any fine adjustments, walk you through using the software, and even diagnose installation issues. We offer this free of charge for our EFI customers. but we also offer this service to outside customers at an hourly rate.